continuing the investigation on the missing Michael Vaughan. He's been missing since July 27th of 2021, and the work has not stopped. We've received over 1,500 leads. Many of them have been cleared. Obviously, we continue to work those. Recently, we came across some very credible information, which led us to this house here at 1102 Redwood. We received a search warrant, and we started excavating the backyard of this residence due to the fact that there's potential for Michael's remains to be in this backyard. This is arduous work. It's going to take us a while to get this done, but we're not going to stop. We're pretty confident in the information that we received, and so we're just going to keep going.
Is there a medical exam on scene right now?
There is not.
Okay. And is there anything that you found so far that concerns you, or is it still just process?
Other than utility lines, no.
Okay.
Can you give? Oh, sorry. Can you give any information on the homeowners or the people living on the property?
I cannot. This is an ongoing investigation, and I'm not going to jeopardize that. We've worked really hard, you guys know, for well over a year now. I think it's extremely important that the public be patient with us, as we have been patient during this investigation. Right?
Also, so can you speak on the canine dogs out here? I mean, did they alert on anything, or?
I'm not going to speak to the indications dogs may or may not have given us, but I will confirm the fact that we do have human remains scent dogs on site, and have that.
And can you talk about where the dirt's going? Is it going to be analyzed?
The dirt is going to a location off-site where it will be processed.
And what has this case been like for the department? Because I know how hard you guys have worked, and it seems like, you know, to have something as kind of a lead after a while has to be, you know, at some point kind of, you know, getting a little closer.
Yes. I'll just tell you that we are all very emotionally tied to this case, just as our community is. I would tell you, probably the country. It means a lot to us. We're feeling pretty good about where we're at in this case right now. We'll have a lot more information. To follow.
I have one more for you. Are you confident in this backyard? Like, is this something that you think you'll find answers from?
You know, I don't know how to answer that. You know, we just have to continue to process this, and if it yields, it yields. You know, I guess it's kind of a double-edged sword. Do I hope? Not really. I don't hope that Michael is still alive, and we can bring him home safely to his family. But we also know that we need to find resolution to this case, and you know, we need to just follow the leads and follow the credible information, and that's what we'll continue to do.
So you can't speak to anything about what, like, the probable cause that led you here?
Okay. Well, can we get name and say and spell your name for us so we
Sure,
do?
my name is J.D. Huff, H-U-F-F.
And you're Fruitland Police?
I am the police chief for the city of Fruitland.
Sorry, I should have known that.
That's all right.
I need a favor.
Yes.
Some of these YouTubers that are contacting potential suspects.
What?
Stop. You have no right. This is my son. You have no right. Stop it. You are not law enforcement. And what you're doing is you are hindering Michael's case. Stop it, please. Let them do their jobs. They are doing an amazing job, and they continue to do an amazing job. And the things you're doing and pulling right now is unacceptable, because you know what you're doing? If some of these things that are going on right now are factual, you are hurting anything of justice for my son. Now stop it. Please. You have no right. What you have the rights to is to keep his face out there and to keep hope and to support law enforcement. No, don't be contacting these people, please. You don't know the damage you can do to a case. Please. Thank you, everyone, for all of your love and support and kindness. I know you are all waiting, just like we are.